Hey guys, welcome back. This is Nisha and today I am going to do a full face one brand makeup tutorial and I am using my most favorite brand, which is M.A.C Cosmetics, and I have used my most favorite and some star products of M.A.C for this tutorial. So let's take a look on the products first. In this video I have created this Glam Smokey Eyelook, and the products that I am going to use are easily available on Nykaa, and for your convenience I have mentioned all the products that I have used in the description box below along with their purchase links. So if you want to buy, you may check it out. I hope you will like this look. And now before we enter into the video, please take a moment to subscribe to my channel and do hit the bell icon so that you get notified every time I upload a new video. And for other updates and posts, you can follow me on my Instagram and Facebook page. The links are given right below in the description box. And I would really like to say this is not a sponsored video. The products that I'll be using have been purchased by me from Nykaa, and all the reviews about the products are based on my own thoughts. And now without further ado, let's start with the video. So I've already prepped my skin, and to begin with I'm taking the M.A.C Prep Plus Prime Skin Base Visage to just lighten down my skin redness and even out my skin tone. Next I'm taking the M.A.C Strobe Cream to add on some glow to my skin and also get a dewy finish. And I'll be just applying it with my fingertips in dots, and I'm going to blend it all with a flat foundation brush. So you can easily see the amount of glow on my skin now, and this is one of my favorite M.A.C products. So I'll be right back after doing my eyebrows off camera. So done with my eyebrows, and now I'm taking my M.A.C Studio Finish SPF 35 concealer to clean and shape up my eyebrows. I'm using a flat brush for this, and we need to just apply the concealer slowly and blend it outwards, and then with a small beauty blender we need to just dab it so that it blends out well. Next I'm taking my M.A.C Studio Conceal and Correct palette, and I'll be picking up this peach shade for color correcting my under eye dark circles and my eyelids and also around my mouth area. And then I'm taking a sponge. I'm going to blend it all out. And next I'm taking the M.A.C concealer again, and I'm applying it just above the color corrector to hide my dark circles as well as to brighten up my under eye area and also highlight my face. And then with the same beauty blender, I'm going to blend it all out. Next I'm taking the M.A.C Studio Fix Fluid SPF 15 foundation, and I'm going to apply it all over my face using the flat brush. And then I'm going to blend everything out evenly using the beauty blender. This M.A.C foundation is easily buildable and gives medium to full coverage. It's a long lasting foundation and gives a flawless look. Next I'm taking the M.A.C Studio Fix Powder Foundation to set my face as well as the under eye area. With the help of a big powder brush, I'm going to apply it all over my face. And now before applying under my eye, I need to just settle out my creases, and I'm going to slowly dab the powder under my eye using the sponge. And then I'm going to buff around the brush all over my face so that everything melts into the skin. So done with base, and now moving to eye makeup. First I'm taking my M.A.C Pro Longwear paint pot in shade Painterly, and I'm going to apply it all over my lid, and then I'm going to blend it out with a sponge. This is going to prime my eyelid, and now I'm taking this beautiful palette from MAC, which is Burgundy x 9, and I'm picking up this beautiful light mauvish pink shade, and I'm going to apply it all over my crease and just a bit, and this is going to be my transition shade, and the brush which I'm using is a fluffy tapered blending brush. Next I'm picking up this brownish shade from the palette, and I'm going to apply it straight over my crease using a flat blending brush. I'm slowly adding this brown shade till I get the desired intensity. And then I'm taking this light shade and applying it above my crease to form a dark to light gradient on my crease for the smoky eye look. Now I'm taking this fluffy blending brush to nicely blend everything on the crease so that there are no harsh lines left and both the eyeshadows melt into each other. Next I'm taking my MAC Technicolor liner in Graph Black and start applying it very close to my lash line and create a thick eyeliner, but we don't need to be precise. Now using a smudging brush, I'm going to smudge this liner, slowly creating a smoky effect. Then I'm going to add some more, and then again I'm going to smudge it out. So all we are doing is applying a little liner and then smudging it. Doing this way will help us to blend it easily without leaving any harsh lines or spots. We get a perfect smoky effect. Now again I'm taking this brown eyeshadow and layering it upon the black smudged liner and applying it all over my eyelid till the crease line. And again with the clean fluffy blending brush, I am going to blend on my crease to get rid of any harshness out there. So here we get the regular smoky eye look, and now it's time to add some glam to it. Next I'm spraying some MAC Fix Plus on my flat shader brush and then dipping it into this shimmery brownish black eyeshadow and applying it all over my lid and creating a shimmery dense black effect. Now again using the same clean fluffy blending brush, I am smoothing out the edges of black shadow so that it blends out with the brown eyeshadow. Now just going to clean up my under eye area to get rid of any fallouts. Now I am applying the Technicolor liner in my lower and upper waterline, and I am also darkening my lower outer lash line. Then I am smudging the liner with the help of the pencil brush. Now I am taking this brown eyeshadow on a small shader brush to smudge the black liner. And next I am picking up this light mauve shadow on the same brush and blending it with the brown eyeshadow to create the same gradient as on my eyelid. Now using a small brush, I am taking this highlighting shade from the palette to highlight my brow bones as well as the inner corners. Now I am going to curl my eyelashes, and for mascara I am taking the MAC in Extreme Dimension Lash Mascara in shade 3D Black and applying it on my upper and lower lashes. This mascara instantly gives the length and volume to your lashes, and this is one of my most favorite mascaras. So done with the eye look and moving to the face, I'm taking my Benefit Cosmetics Hula Bronzer to contour my face and nose, as I don't have any bronzer from M.A.C. So I'm quickly going to contour my face as well as my nose. Next, for blush, I am using M.A.C Extra Dimension Blush in Fairly Precious. This blush has some reflecting properties like highlighter, and it melts into the skin like dream and gives a smooth finish to the skin. So you can see the glow. And now for highlighter, I have the M.A.C Mineralized Skin Finish in Soft and Gentle. This is not only my favorite highlighter, you guys, but also my favorite makeup product. It blends like butter on my skin and it gives the amazing radiance, and the skin looks so hydrated and fresh. So I always recommend this highlighter. And for my lipstick, I am using M.A.C Matte Lipstick in shade World. It's an amazing nude shade to complement the smoky eyes. So completed with the look, and now I am finally taking my M.A.C Fix Plus to set my makeup. I'll be right back after applying my lashes. So here's the complete look, you guys. I really enjoyed creating this one brand tutorial using M.A.C Cosmetics, and I have been using M.A.C since a long time, so I thought of creating this video. I hope you all liked this video and also enjoyed it. And if you did, then please don't forget to hit the like button and do subscribe to my channel. Do mention me in the comment section if you like this video, and also let me know if you want me to create any video of your choice. So that's all for this video. See you back again with a brand new video. Till then, take care. Love you all. Bye.